Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with Crypto Gains. What's going on, guys? Another quick Ethereum tutorial today, and that is related to MetaMask and hiding assets in your wallet. So you've been chasing all of these ERC20 coins, and now your wallet is full of all of these coins, and it's driving you mad because every time, it's just too much to manage. So what you need to do is very, very simple. First, you click on assets. You find the asset that you want to remove or hide from your wallet. You click on it, and then you go to these three dots, and you say hide. Okay, and then hide, and then voila, that asset does not show up in your wallet anymore. And as an extra precaution, this is a bonus, you can click on these three dots and you can see connected sites. So it's always a good idea to go through this connected sites and basically delete things which you think may be shady or you just don't use anymore. As a general practice, it's good to try to keep your wallet as clean as possible. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to disconnect a bunch of these sites that I am not using anymore. It's that easy. Hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.